Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break, number 827, 827. We're opening two boxes of 1314 Artifact Hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 24th at 8:29 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 20 past 2 p.m. Thursday, June 25th. That's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 200 039 071. Second box number is 200 159 350. We've got 4 cards per pack, 10 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. There we go. First box 1314 Upper Deck Artifact. I'd like to mention we also have some 1415 2-box break Upper Deck Artifact. We actually have one ending tonight at 7:30 and one tomorrow night. We've got 10 packs, 1 empty box, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. First pack of a 2-box break, number 827. Miikka Kiprusoff for Calgary, treasured swatches for Flames. Next pack. Daniel Briere, out of 99 parallel card for Flyers. Matt Stajan for Calgary, game used jersey out of 125. Tim Erickson for Blue Jackets, signature card Autofax. Dual jerseys, Ryan Miller, Luke Adam for Sabres, Tundra Tandems. Emerson Etem for Ducks, rookie out of 999. Carter Ashton out of 299 parallel card, and Carter Ashton is Tampa Bay. It is Team Canada uniform. Jonathan Huberdeau, rookie for Panthers out of 999. And we're down to 2 packs. The first box. Steve Shutt, Montreal. Parallel card out of 999 is a Team Canada uniform. The last pack of the first box. We got a rookie redemption wild card. Number 236. According to Upper Deck, 236 is Marek Mazanek for Predators. Double check. 236, 236. Yeah, card goes to Predators. And we're down to our second box. Like to mention, we got 7 box breaks ending tonight, 7:30 and 10:30 p.m. Like I said earlier, we got some Artifact 14-15, we've got some Titanium 13-14, some 14-15 ITG Ultimate Vault, Superlative Vault, some Upper Deck Ultimate Collection, an empty box, 10 packs. All that tonight on Box Breakers 2, 4, 6, and 10. More appeal all the time. First pack of our second box. Here we go. Corey Crawford, great goaler. Blackhawks, parallel out of 99. It's better. Chris Osgood. It's a jersey and patch out of 75 for Detroit. Nice card. Okay. Josh Bailey. For Islanders, signature card, Autofax. Dual jersey card for Canucks. We got Roberto Luongo and Corey Schneider. To do tandems for Canucks. Do a little cleanup here. Keep it clean and on screen. Next pack. Frozen Artifact. Shan for Flyers. Dual jerseys. Jonas Brodin, rookie for Wilds. This is a short print out of 85, card number 49. Minnesota. Carey Price, parallel card out of 999. Winner of 4 trophies last night. Montreal. Justin Schultz, rookie for Oilers out of 299. Oops, one more here. Ryan Johansson out of, hard to see, it's out of 299, parallel card with the short print. And Ryan Johansson is Columbus Blue Jackets. Looking at my list. And the last pack over 2 box break. Kings, rookie redemption. Number 213, Lyndon Vay for LA. And that's our 2 box. Do a little cleanup again. We'll do a quick recap of our hits. We got rookie redemption, Kings. Nice rookie for Oilers out of 299. Out of 85, Jonas Brodin for Wilds. Jersey card for Flyers, dual jersey card for Canucks, auto Islanders. Got a jersey patch for Detroit out of 75. Hockey Redemption. Chef Montreal. Huberdeau rookie for Panthers. Emerson Etem rookie for Ducks. Dual jersey card for Sabres. Jacket auto. Jersey card for Calgary. Nutty jersey card for Calgary. That concludes our break number 827 of 2 box of 1314 Artifact Hockey. Be sure to check out all our box breaks tonight. My name is Joel. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.